Hello and welcome to PrashPlattersAndMore. Today let us make some healthy moringa parathas for the fussy eaters. For this we will need some moringa leaves, grated cucumber, grated beetroot, finely chopped coriander, finely chopped fenugreek leaves, grated onion and finely grated ginger. To this we will add 1 teaspoon of jeera powder or cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of whole jeera or cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 to 2 teaspoons of red chili powder, 1 tsp of carom seeds. Crush it in between the hands so that it releases its flavor. You can take any veggies of your choice. Now to this you can add 1 cup of wheat flour, 1 cup of besan or a gram flour, half cup of rice flour and salt to taste. You can even add jowar flour, ragi flour or any other of your choice. Mix it well by adding gradually some water and knead to a soft dough. Add some grated amla and mix well. You can even add some amchur powder, lime juice, curd or tamarind pulp to give some tangy flavor. All the goodness of nature has been incorporated in a soft dough to pamper your taste. Now keep the tawa on a flame to heat. Take a portion of the soft dough, apply some dry flour and roll it with a rolling pin. For the dry flour, you can use wheat flour or rice flour. Using rice flour will make your parathas more crisp. There will be some cracks on the edges, but no worries, you can adjust it with your fingers and continue rolling it. Now apply some ghee on the hot tawa and put the rolled paratha on it. Make holes in between the paratha and drizzle some ghee in it. You can even use oil or butter, any fat of your choice. Flip the paratha and cook both the sides of paratha till golden brown and crisp. Simultaneously keep rolling the other parathas so that your gas doesn't waste. Cook the parathas on a medium flame. Do not keep the flame low. It will keep the parathas uncooked, or high flame will burn the parathas. Make all the parathas in the same way. Once the parathas are done, cut it into pieces and serve it with sweetened curd, ketchup, green chutney or tadke wala dahi. Moringa leaves offer a wide array of health benefits. It boosts immunity, reduces inflammation, supports healthy digestion and potentially improves bone health and is also a good source of antioxidants. Do try this recipe and let me know your experience. And do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching the video.